Hey, are you someone who's wondering why DeepSeek from China has become so popular and became talk of the town in the AI world? And it is already being compared with GPT 4.0, who is the current market leader. Why it is so special? Can it replace GPT 4.0? How to get access for API keys? And how to integrate with Make.com? To know about them, watch the video till the end. Hello everyone, I am Surya Karthik, who is specializing in AI automations. DeepSeek is an open source LLM, which means it can be used by public to edit or to modify or to use locally in their computer. And guess what? It can be used without internet as well. It performs the best in coding, reasoning, and logical thinking due to implementation of AGI model, artificial generative intelligence. AGI is a self-learning model which can assess the existing knowledge, train the model to relevant knowledge, fine-tunes the answer, and continuously enhance the response. And important thing is that AGI can learn and adapt to any tasks like a human. If you compare with GPT 4.0, DeepSeek specializes for specific tasks and fine-tuning of the response, while GPT uses narrow AI, which specializes on creative language generation and broad understanding of problem. And if you speak about pricing, DeepSeek is free as of now, but GPT 4.0 has pricing and it varies according to the accuracy and usage. Let's try getting API keys and integrate with Make.com. Firstly, I went through the DeepSeek's official website and checked for this API key. Currently, DeepSeek doesn't provide API keys. So I tried two other options. The alternate way to get the API key is to use OpenRouter. Search for openrouter.ai and go into first link. This is an unified API gateway for multiple LLMs. Like instead of separating different APIs for different models like ChatGPT, Llama, or Gemini, or DeepSeek, so we can use only one API key for all, and its pricing is on credit basis, where you buy credits and use them in any LLM until it finishes off. And in this open router, you can easily compare models directly based on their pricing of tokens and latency. I went to this and searched for DeepSeek. And of course, in the first page, we could see DeepSeek V3. So once you're logged in, you just go to this one and check out for keys. And I've already made one. So here you have to create a key, types testing, and leave it blank. And if you create it, you'll get your key. So you can copy and use it anywhere you want. After creating API key, if you want to explore, go to models, and here on the left side you could see based on the context length, based on the prompt pricing, and based on what series, what type of LLM you need, you could easily filter out and get your LLM. Let's take, for example, Gemini. And let's go to Google Gemini Flash 2.0. If you come down here, you can easily compare and analyze the latency, the output cost for per million token, the input cost per million tokens, and how much the maximum output is, and context, and everything. And if you want the code, you just come to API, and you don't need to create API key again where you already created, and you can use it for any LLMs. And if you come down, you could find the code and where you could just input the required API key and just run it wherever or any website you want. Gemini Flash 2.0 is one of the model. If you want free models which uses $0 for input and output tokens, you just type free, and you could also find a lot of free models provided by OpenRouter itself. Now, let us see how to integrate OpenRouter with Make.com. Here I have created a simple scenario of watching new rows and getting the output from the open router and updating the answer to the same Google Sheet. So how to get this open router? Just you need to add a module and type open a router. You can find this one and click on the create a chat completion. Once you have created that one, you just need to go in and you have to add your API key that you have got from Open Router website. And once you have added, just save it. Here I have already added this one. That's why it's showing this message, model, and all the stuffs. I have added some instruction to this Open Router as of now. And if you see model over here, click on this and you could find a lot of LLMs. But you can't use everything until you pay for Open Router. So you could find this free one, right? These things you could use it, and we are using DeepSeek as we wanted to use DeepSeek for testing purpose. And once you're done with this, just save it and let me choose where to start from. Let's start from first itself. This is a Google Sheet that I have created for a demo. So first question is which country Taj Mahal is located? Give me answer in just one word. This is the question, okay? So once I've started running, it takes few seconds and gives us the output. If you check out the solution, you could find at least 4 sentences before getting that one word India as that answer. This is because DeepSeek first thinks the answer with the facts and confirms it, verifies it, and finally gives out the output. For example, if you check out over here, the answer would be all right. So the user is asking where the Taj Mahal is located, and they just wanted a one word answer. This is what we have instructed to it. Then it also gives like, I know the Taj Mahal is in India. It is a famous monument. I'm pretty confident about that. It is like thinking and verifying with the fact, is it there in India only? So, and finally gives us the output India. But we just want the one word answer. So, this is the drawback in this open router where you can't get this exact output that you want. But I have another solution as well, which is more accurate and which gives only one word answer. That is using of Grok AI. Yeah, it is specialized in fast AI interface. It gives free API keys. It is similar to Open Router. And if you press this free API keys and then go to API key and just create one, which I've already created over here, and I'm going to use it the same. And copy this API key and let us go to that scenario. Again, this is a basic scenario just for explanation. And if you go to Grok again, you need to give how to give connection. Just give add and then give your API key and then save it. That's all. Your connection is made. And again, here's a model. There are lots of models similar to Open Router where I clicked DeepSeek, which we wanted to test. And I've given some basic instruction for DeepSeek to follow. And I've given input from Google Sheet and I've saved it. If I straight directly connect this Grok with Google Sheet, I will get answer something big like Open Router. So to get only the output that we want, I'm using text parser, which means it parses the text and gives only the output that we want. The output that we want only is a one word or a single sentence, you could say. Sure, let me run and explain to you. So I'll choose where to start from. Let us go on with fifth one. So I've chosen and I'm starting to run. That's it. You got a single answer called India that we wanted. How did we get this? If you check out the output of this grok, let me show them. The output is this way. The final thing that we wanted is in the last line, that is India. So we need to remove all these. So to remove these only, I'm using text parser. If you go inside text parser, the input would be this one and output would be value is India. This is what we wanted. So how to use this text parser? If you go in, here will be a pattern. It is actually a regular expression. If you keenly notice the output of grok, every solution that you get will be after this word. Think. We need a regular expression for this one. What is regular expression? Let's take an example. You are given with 5 pages of essay and you are asked to find these words in all 5 pages. But you could answer simply like just press Ctrl F and type it and you will get the solution. But if you need to find a word called cat, C-A-T, and if you do the process like pressing Ctrl F and type C-A-T, you'll get all the word which contains C-A-T. For example, if there is a bobcat, you'll get bobcat as well because C-A-T is there in that word as well. But you want specifically cat, C-A-T, right? So specifically to take them out, you are using this regular expression, which is specifically for that word and used to like replace the word or take the sentences after the word or before the word. So here we want, so we have solution always after this word, which is called think. So we need to find regular expression for this one. You just need to go to ChatGPT and within inverted codes, you just need to paste all your output. We need to just ask the regular expression for this word. Here it gives this one. To verify this, you have to go to this website called regex101.com and you have to paste the whole output that you have got from grok in the test string. And you have to paste the regular expression that you got from GPT. And over here, you could find the green, right? This green one is what the output that we are getting from regular expression. Sometimes you won't get this one. For some regular expression, you will get here. If you are not getting that one, and you should ask GPT to again refine the answer. I did it for around 5 times and finally I got the answer. The answer that you are getting should be pasted over here in the pattern. And the result that you got from grok, you have to paste it over here. And you have to save it. That's it. You got the answer. And over here, what you should do to update the output of this text parser, the value, you just need to paste it over here and you're good to go. I hope you understood how to use this DeepSeek in make.com and how to get API keys of DeepSeek using OpenRouter and Grok.